Hello once again. Now I will show you FX pair trading with magic level. So this is a live chart of FX pair. You can see this is the live price going on 14th December now, evening 6 p.m. Okay, here also you can see the time. So this FX pair has generated a very strong short here. So red color line is a strong zone, blue is a minor zone. So from this point, if you short, this is the target. It's almost 225 pips up to this zone. Risk is only 50 pips. Again, this has broken and could not cross the zone. So if you short here again, now it is running with 100 pips as of now. So let us go back. So this is the rally. It started from here. If you buy here, it's almost target and 225 pips. And on crossing the zone, it reached 2 to 3 times and on daily basis could not break the zone. So if you buy here nearly 100 plus pips of up move, here it is almost 75 pips. So this is a perfect shot. There is a continuous rally from this point. If you short here, this is the target done, 225 pips. So again, if you buy here, this is the target done. So these are not swing high, swing lows. So there are many swing high, swing lows, but they are not much important. These levels are most important because trend reversal takes place at these levels. We can buy at bottom, we can sell at top with low risk, like 50 pips is the risk and the reward will be 200, 400, 500 pips per trade. So here also this is a good shot and target done. And if you buy here, it's almost 100, 120 pips up. 150 pips up. So after a range bound move, it slowly went down and broken. So here also if you see, there are a few zigzag trades. So FX pairs, the advantage is most of the times they give exit very near to the cost because of continuous market. Very rarely they hit the stop loss. Here on reaching the level, if you are buy here, so this is the stop loss hit. So after that it has come back all the way and crossed the zone and there was a buy, it's up. So if you lose also, just increase the lot size and trade, and you can close the next lot for 50 pips and the second lot can be continued with the trend. This is also, if you see straight fall, there is no scope to short, and here also just narrowly missed the level and went up. Okay, so our action starts only at the level. So if something is trading very far to the zone, just ignore. From this point it started falling. So here if you buy, if you sell, exit is very cost to cost. Again buy here, it's nearly 120 pips up. Here there is no chance. If you short here, around 60 pips fall. Here also short at the buy and exit. There is a buy, exit buy and short nearly 70 pips fall. And this is a good shot, nearly 100 pips fall. Here is a good shot, is a buy around 30 pips up and reversed and 100 plus pips fall. So let us go back. So again here also on reaching this level, trading strongly. If you buy here, it's almost completely 225 pips move done. Observe here, this is the first hit and went back. If you sell here, around 50-60 pips fall was there and again it turned positive. If you buy here, 225 pips move done. So daily candle gives you the direction. So in intraday sometimes they move up and down, but nothing to worry. Just hold the position with stop loss. Here also on reaching the level, it could not cross. If you short here, it's almost 225 pips done. So we can catch big moves with low risk. See, so all the way crossed and went up and it came down, breached the level, again went up. If you buy here, it's almost 110 pips, 100 plus pips. So need not trade for 10 pips, 20 pips. You can catch 200, 300 pips or 500 pips move with low risk. Okay. So this way, see, observe here. It's a very strong buy, 100 plus pips move. And on breaching here short, nearly 200 pips fall. So likewise, one can trade any FX pair with 50 pips stop loss. So direction, destination, reversals are known well in advance clearly. So that is the advantage of levels. Once when the FX pair trades above the level, just long, and if trades below the level, stay short. So in 4 hours, and 4 hours can be used, or daily candle also can be used. Right, then hope you might have liked the video. I will post few more videos in the coming days on FX pairs, commodities, and NSE stocks also. If you have any queries related to training or investing anything, you can send me an email or ping me in Telegram. Thanks for watching. Good day. Happy trading.